Okay, so we're going to do a tutorial on how to start and join a video call with Google Calendar. So you're going to, go to create, add a title. Let's do video call. Let's just name it video call. And what you would go to next is you would add guests. Well, you would add the Google Meet video, and then you will add guests. So I'm going to add myself. There, and then you will click save. And then this may come up, not always, but this may come up. And so I'm going to click send. Sorry. Then I'll click send. And so now you see the video call is here, scheduled from 7 to 8 down here. So I'm going to go over to my email. This will be happening if someone sends you the Google call invite. I got the invite, and I just go down here, click yes, and boom. And you join the video call.